Fuckhead. Here's the helicopter I just received from you guys, and this is pretty much all she does right here. It's like it's missing something right here. I don't know. It has two bars. It looks like it's supposed to be hooked to something. Like, I mean, there's no movement whatsoever in that. I think it's like a fly bar. This is what she does. I mean, it's not even getting no lift. And she won't even fly. I just made it like a brief explanation for it wasn't really working, but I'm not going to leave anybody bad feedback. I'm just not like that. I know you guys will make it right with me, so thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys' business.